welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. Today is a new day, and you guys, last night something happened to my eye. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like swollen. I don't know, it feels like it's a sty, but I don't think it's a sty. My mom says that maybe because I got food poisoning, it like caused it. For some reason, she says that can happen. I don't know, maybe it's true. Maybe that's why I have it here. Because usually a sty, you can see like the sty, but this doesn't feel like anything. It's just literally this whole area is swollen, like super swollen compared to this one. So I don't know what's going on. So we decided to put on a little bit of makeup to make ourselves feel better. And I am about to start lunch. I am running super late on this lunch. It is 3 o'clock, so yeah, we should be eating right now. I am doing some ribs that I had last time. If you saw Vlogmas a couple days ago, I made some ribs. They come in like this huge pack, so I cut them and then freeze them. So today is one of those ribs, but I'm gonna do a different salad to go with it this time around. It's one of my classic salads that I always do, and it is delicious. It's a cucumber feta salad. It's really, really good. People love it. And I'm also gonna be doing some oat milk for LJ. I try not to buy the processed oat milk just because we get gallons of water sent to us, and we have so many jugs because we were on vacation one week that they brought them. Let me just show you guys, like all of this. Look at this. These are all full. Basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jugs full of water. So I'm on a mission to finish those jugs, which means I'm gonna be making her oat milk with my Almond Cow processor. I don't know if you guys ever seen it, but let me just show you because it's a pretty cool tool. If you like making your own oat milk, you should definitely get it. But you can do almonds, you can do cashew, you can do lemonade in it, you can do matcha in it. I mean, you name it, you can do all sorts of things in this Almond Cow machine. It is awesome. A great Christmas gift, you know, if you wanna hint to anyone in your life. So without further ado, let's get cooking. So this is the Almond Cow itself. This is where you place the liquid, and it comes with these 2 pieces as well. This is the basket. Any oats, almonds, cashews, you name it, coconut, anything like that goes in here. And then this is the actual processor. It has a blade. I've already done 1 round of the milk. I bought this big mason jar from Walmart, and this is where I store the oat milk. We go through it in like 2 days, so it really doesn't last a long time. And it does have this to be able to seal properly. It's a pretty tight seal once you place the actual lid on it. But this is where I store the milk, because this is, I believe, about 1 gallon of liquid. So the first step is to add your water to this part. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that with my jugs. Now it's time to add the oats to the basket. The basket itself has a measuring cup in it. So 1/2 cup and then 1 cup right here. I fill it up to the 1 with oats. So it's all around 2. So we're gonna go and fill this up. This is probably not the smartest way to do it. It goes everywhere. So I'm gonna set it down here for a second and just pour it. All right, so check it out. We have our oats in here. It's a little bit over the 1, not too bad, but it's all in there. Now to the actual water itself, I add vanilla to it, 1 little cap of these. Then I'm going to add some maple syrup, about 2 tablespoons, maybe like 1.5 really. I eyeball it, but I have measured it before. I've done it so many times now that you just kind of know. So I do 2 tablespoons. What happened? And then you place it in here. So we go ahead and close it up. It comes with the cord. Mama will help you. What's 1, 2, 3. And with a button. It's going. So it's super easy. And by the time I go help JT, this will be done. So it takes like 4 minutes. It's really fast. It's done. Once it stops flashing, that means it's done. It is so fast. I went and helped JT. So let me show you what it looks like. You have here some of the milk. So I like to place this like so. Just kind of hang it on the side so that it'll finish draining at the bottom. But let me show you up close what it looks like. Check it out. This is the oat milk. It is so creamy. It's so tasty. You mix it up with a spatula, spoon, whatever, and then you pour it in this big mason jar. Because it is real oat milk, I mean, not that the store-bought isn't, it's just, you know, pure. It does settle a little bit, so I keep this spatula in it, and whenever I go to serve it, I just swirl it and then put it in her bottle. Or, you know, I've used this in smoothies. I use it all over the place, and it tastes really good. It's just, you know, maple syrup and vanilla. So I feel like it's cleaner, healthier, and better than sometimes what you get at the store. Let me show you though what I mean. With the spatula, I go ahead and swirl it, and voila, you serve it in a bottle. And see, I just keep it in there.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song.
We are about to go on a walk. What a day it's been. Right, JT?
Look at your color.
Yeah. It has been a wild day, you guys. It's, I don't know. It was one of those days where mama needs to be outdoors. So We got our cute little Winnie the Pooh jacket on. It keeps us nice and warm. And we're about to go see the Christmas lights around the neighborhood. Cause I need to walk. I need some air. Cause it's been a rough one.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
I am going to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. It was very short and sweet. It was a very rough day. That's what happens when you have 303. Anyways, like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.